Hello everybody, I'm Claudia Naranjo. Today I'm talking about my talents, qualification, achievements and skills. Um, about my talents, I like maths. When I was a child, my father taught me about it. My father, who worked a lot, took a little time of his time to teach me multiplication tables. Since then, it was easy for me to learn maths easily. Now, I'm gonna tell you, or I want to tell you about some tips for study better. Normally, I study early in the morning. For example, if I have an exam, I wake up 4 a.m. I don't like study at night. Another tip is about understanding. When I write, I like to write slow. I like read slow because I need understanding that I read. Because I think the knowledge is permanent when I read slow and understanding. But if I read quickly, I don't understand, and the knowledge is temporary. Another tip is when you are in the class, you need pay attention to the teacher, only listening, no writing, because it's important to understand to the teacher. Now I want to tell you about my achievements. In the high school, when I graduated, I got a medal for academic excellence. In the university too, I have always thought that we to fight for our dreams. It's important think about it. Nowadays, I study a technology in software development. You can see some pictures about a mobile application. This mobile application is when you need take some drugs, some medicines. This application remember you. Is something like alarm or notification. And my successful life is thanks to God, my family, my parents, my husband, my teachers, my classmates, my friends. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.